Now, today we are going to start the strings. Okay. Now, strings, string buffer, and the string builder. Okay. Now, what is a string? In the sense, now string is a collection of characters or like numerics. Okay, the numerics, numbers, anything simply we can say that it's a collection of characters, numbers, alphabets. Okay, it's a string. Then how we can represent a string in Java? Okay, now we have like two ways to represent. Okay, now first one is like a literal way. Okay, now second one is like by using new keyword. Okay, by using new keyword. There are two ways to represent like a string. Now literal way and by using new keyword. Now string is a data type or collection. Sorry, like it's a class. Simply here, this point is like confusing point. Now basically here in the non-primitive data types we can say like it's a string. Now class also we can say it's a string. Now the string is a both. Now it's a non-primitive data type as well as it's a class. Okay, both. The string is a non-primitive data type as well as it's a class. That's why if it is a class, simply we can use the starting letter is a capital, right? That's it's a class. Now it's a present in java.lang package. Okay, it's a present in java.lang package. Now simply here the main important interview point is like string is immutable. Okay, the most important interview point is what string is immutable. What mean by immutable? Okay, what's the mean by immutable in a sense? For suppose once we assign any value to the string, simply we cannot change. Okay, the value is a fixed one. Now here first we'll go with like these two ways. Now the literal way and by using new keyword. First the literal way. How we can represent a literal way simply here. Now string name is equal to simply here Bahubali Amut. Okay. Now if I represent it like this, now this is a literal way. Okay. Now this is a literal way. Now here if I want to print here, now SYSO of name we can print. Okay, the name we are going to get like that Bahubali I'm going to get. Okay, now this is the way now we can print like by using literal way. Okay, literal way. Now why the string is immutable? Okay, this value I assigned already. Okay, what is the mean by concatenation? Okay, now merging simply here. We can say like that addition of two string values. For suppose simply here, within the name already what we have the value Bahubali. Okay, what I'm doing here, name dot we have one method concat method. Earlier we can use like a plus symbol. That's okay. Now here concat method we use. By using concat method, I want to make it as I want to insert now Devasena. Okay, if I print now SYSO of name, now what is the output basically here? Anybody guess? Devasena Bahubali. Simply here you are saying like Bahubali Devasena. Now my options are like this: Bahubali Devasena, only Bahubali, or Devasena, or Devasena Bahubali, or none of the above. Okay. Now Bahubali Devasena. We'll see that output. Okay. Now I'm going to click on package. Now com.strings. Okay, now within the package, simply I'm going to write like one package class. Now class is like a demo I'm going to write. Okay, now within the demo, now main, okay, I'm going to write like this. Now, first we'll go with like a literal way. Okay. Now string name is equal to Bahubali. Okay. Now if I print the first SYS1 name, now we are going to get Bahubali. Now I click run as Java application. Now we got like Bahubali. What I'm doing here, I'm going to comment this sent line. Now name dot concat of simply here they were same. Okay. Now I'm going to print like name. Control S, right click, run as Java application. Now say still we are getting popular. Okay. Now that's why I said what the string is immutable. Okay. Now once we assign the value for that name Bahubali, it's assigned only the Bahubali. Again, if we want to add anything simply, we cannot change. But the output is showing like that only original value, but internally the value is Bahubali Devasena. Internally. If you want to see that internal value, now for this value I'm going to apply some reference. Now string name 1. Okay. If I print name 1, internal original value we are going to get. Now right click, run as Java application. Now see. Okay, internal value this time. But whenever you adding like concatenation for the string, literal way, simply we are going to get like original value. Now why in the sense the string is immutable. Okay, the string is immutable. Clear this point? Okay. Now below it like second way. Now by using new keyword. Okay, by using new keyword. Now simply here string. Okay, st is equal to new string. It's by using new keyword, right? New string. Simply I'm going to write. Okay. Now capture. Hmm. Yes. Now SYSO, if I want to print est, right click, run as Java application. We got like capture. For suppose simply here, ht dot concat of simply here India. Okay. Now again I'm going to print like st, right click, run as Java application. Still we are getting capture. Okay. Now why in the sense the string is immutable. Yeah, string is immutable. Okay. Now once we assign the value, it's immutable. If we want to print like a concatenated value, we need to apply some reference. Okay. The concat method is return type is string type. Again, need to mention some other name. You can print that name. It will get that old value. Simply that the concatenated value we are going to get. Okay. Now, up to this, are you clear? Yes. Now, simply here. Now, string well I'm going to print. Okay. We print like well. Control S. Right click run as Java application. Okay. And this thing also we can do. Now, or suppose simply here I'm going to do one example. Or suppose simply here Satya double equals to like Satya. Okay, it's a valid or not? Correct or not? Both are same or not? Both are same, right? Yeah. Now see, Satya is double equal to Satya. For suppose simply here, I am writing like this. Now it's both not same. It is a string, it is a variable. That's why both are not same. Now it is a double equal operator. Okay. Now the same thing here we have like this. Now string name is equal to Satya we have. Okay, within the name variable, what is the value? Satya only. Now name dot equals method. Okay, equals of again Satya I'm going to write. Now within the name, what is the value? Satya equals to Satya. Both values are same name. Okay, now observe carefully here. Now simply here SYSO. Yeah. Here I'm going to write like one more name. String name 1 is equal to Again, Bahubali Amut, right? Okay. Now both name and name one both are same. Now simply here name double equals of name one. Okay. Again SYSO name dot equals of name one. Okay. Now double equal operator will return type is a boolean. If both values are same, we are getting true. Okay, if both values are not same, simply we are getting false. Okay, within the name, what is the value here we have? Bahubali. Name one also value, what is what? Bahubali here we have. If both are same, we are going to get the true. Okay. Now, in the name, what is the value here we have? Bahubali. Equals method, name and also Bahubali here we have. Okay. The equals method is always checking that both values are same or okay. If it is the same, it will return type the Boolean type. If I place the cursor here, okay. Otherwise, return type is the false. Now, what is output? Both are true or both are false. Okay. T of TT, FF, FT. Both are true. Okay. Now here, right click, run as Java application. Now both are true. Okay. In this case, both values are same. In this case, both values are same. Okay. Now objectively here. One more requirement. Now, in this case, equals method. Okay. It is a literal way. Okay. It is a literal way. Now, by using new keyword also, now simply here, string st1 is equal to new string of Capgemini amount. Okay. Now it is by using new keyword, right? Now we'll do that. Simply here, SYSO ST double equals to ST1. Now SYSO ST dot equals of ST2. Now, if both are true or false, both are true. Okay, observe carefully here. Right click, run as Java application. Now, if we got the false to true, we are going to get. Okay, if I comment this one, you will get idea. Right click, run as Java application. False to we are going to get. Okay, why in the sense? This one is like by using new keyword. This one is by using literal way. Okay, observe carefully here. This equals method is checking that both values are same or not. Okay, only values same or not. The double equal operator will check the references are referring same location or not. Okay, if you got understand simply here, we'll go with like one image. See here. Observe every right side part. String name is equal to welcome. String name one also welcome. String name two also welcome. Okay. Now it is a literal way. If it is a literal way, simply in the memory area we have like heap area here we have. The heap area objects are going to be stored. Okay. Now instance properties will get going to store. Now within the heap area we have one small part that is a SCP here, simply here. Okay. Now the SCP in the sense what a string constant pool. Okay, string constant pool. Now in the string constant pool we can store only the literal values only. Okay, we can store only in this type of values. Okay, now the main important point of SCP, it will not allow the duplicate values. Okay, now for suppose first time I'm going to store name is equal to welcome, one value store. Again string name one also welcome I'm trying to store. Name one is at this location. I'm trying to store, but duplicates are not allowed, right? That's why SCP what is saying, value is already we have, you can use this location. Okay, name one is a different location, right? See here, name one same location, name one same location. Okay, again name two also I'm created like welcome. Okay, duplicates are not allowed. SCP is saying what? I already have the same value. You can use this location. Okay, location is same or different for these three references. References? References are different. Location is the same. Now, whenever it is a literal way, Okay, now if it is a double equal operator, okay, it will looking for, okay, the references are referring same location or not. అంటే నేమ్ అనేది ఈ లొకేషన్, నేమ్ 2 also same location, name 3 also same location. Means what? References are referring same location or not. Yes, okay, same location. That's why we are getting the true. Okay, now in the literal way, okay, it is a literal way. That's why we are getting first 20, 21, 22 true only, right? Both are true. Now control S, right click, run as Java. Both are true. Oh, sorry. Comment. Both are true. That's why. Now equals method, you know that always checking the values both are. Only the double equal operator will check that references are referring same location or not. Okay, name is also locating the same location. Name 1 also locating same location. Name 2 also locating same location. Now, by using new keyword, we'll go with right. Now, string s is equal to new string welcome. Okay, string s2 is equal to new string welcome. Okay, now whenever we'll work with like new keyword, the values are not storing in the SAP, it will store in the heap area. Okay, heap area duplicates are allowed. Okay, SCP duplicates are not allowed. Okay, in the heap area duplicates are allowed. Okay, now whenever we are creating object, or in the sense whenever it's a new keyword, the new memory space is created. Okay, for this yes, one separate memory space, one S2 separate memory space. Okay, now in this case, double equal operator will getting false. Why? In the sense the references S and S2 are not referring same location, different location. Okay, that's why the double equal operator will looking for that references are referring same location or not. Okay, if it is the same location, we'll get the true. If it is a different location, we'll get the false. Okay, the equals method always true. Okay, now this is the major important interview question in the string basics. Okay, now yeah, by using new keyword, by using literal name. Okay, now we have some methods, string methods simply here we have. Okay, now we're going to discuss about it. New, now class and stringer methods. Demo. Give me a minute. Okay, charging. Okay, the both the points simply here by using literal way, by using new keyword. Okay, if it is a literal way, the values are going to store in the SCP. Okay, by using new keyword, the values are going to store in the heap area. Okay, now I'm going to create like a sorry, main method. Okay, within the main method, I'm going to create like one name is equal to caption string name, and also simply I'm going to make it as like a caption. Okay, now for suppose simply here SYSO, I want to find out, okay, within this name, what is the value we have in the name? Capgemini. What is the length of the name? Okay, dot length. Okay, dot length. What is the length of the Capgemini? Right click, run as Java application. Now the name. Okay, observe carefully here. SYSO name dot char at index of 0. Observe carefully here. Now, char at method is taking character in the sense like 0 index number. Output return type is a character. In the sense what? In the 0 index number, what is the character? Character in the sense like character at the position of 0 index number is what? C we are going to get. Right click, run as Java application. Sorry. Now, C we are going to get. Okay. Now, SYSO. What is the length of the value? 9. Okay, simply here name dot caret of 9 I want to print. Okay, we'll see that. I or Capgemini. Uh-huh. Here, character. It's not all the characters. Character at 0 position in the sense like C. Character at a ninth position. We'll see that. Right click run a Java application. We are getting it.
But there is no such nice quotation.
Did you observe? It length in the sense like it's a counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But character method is taking index in the sense like 0, 1, 2, 3. That is the result. 9 is we need to give 8 then. Okay, index minus 1. Control S, right click, run as Java application. Now say I now be got. Index in the sense what? 0, starting position. Length in the sense starting position 1. Okay. Now SYSO. Now name dot code point at the method. Okay, code point at 0 or in the sense like a 1 index number. Okay, this code point at method is taking input is an index number. Okay, one the index number. What is the character? A. Now a character ASCII value. What is the output? Simply here. Okay. Now code point at method is taking input as index number. Based on this index number, what is the character? The character ASCII value we are going to get output. Okay. Now A is 97 we are going to get. Now Java application 97. Okay. C value 98, 99 we are going to get. For suppose simply here, control copy, control V. Now simply here 0 in the sense like 90, so 98, 99 we are going to get. 99. Okay. Now one more method. SYSO name dot code point before like 1. Okay, before 1, what is the index number? 0 index number, what is the character? C. What is the character ASCII value? 19. Again, we are going to get 19. Right click, run as Java application. Now say 19 we are going to get. Okay. Now, before and after also anything will be SYSO name dot. Okay, these are all our string methods only. Okay, compare to. Okay, now simply here. Now name is what is the value? Captain. Name one is what is the value? Now what is the output compared to? But compared to return type is int type. Now right click, run as 0 we are going to get. How in a sense? This comparing is a int type. The both strings are comparing. C minus C 0. Okay, A minus A 0. P minus G 0. M minus M, I minus I, N minus N, I minus I. But suppose simply here, first value I am going to make it as like Z. Okay, first value here I am going to make it as A. What is the Z character value? 26. Alphabet is 26, right? 26. A is the value 1. Now Z minus A 25. In the sense, it is comparing like this. If both the characters are same, it will return 0. Okay. Now, right click, run as, control save it first, right click, run as Java application, 25 we got. For suppose, it will checking each and every character. For suppose, right now, here C, here A, it is checking. Okay. For suppose, is right now both are same. But in the case of second value, I wrote like B. Now both are same? No. In this case, we are going to get like -1. Okay, it is comparing the values. Okay, the character. Yes, yes. Name. Sir, that's right. Name minus name 1. Okay. Name minus name 1. Okay. Now, for suppose name 1 compared to name also you can do that. Sure. Yeah. Now, next. SYSO name dot. Now, compat or concat method, you know that contains. But suppose now mini contains method is a return type is a boolean type. Okay. Now name in the sense what is the value name? Capgemini. Within the Capgemini, do we have any letters meaning? Yes or no? Yes, right? Now we are getting true in the sense. If it is a yes, true. Otherwise, simply false. Yeah, true. Yeah, boolean. But suppose simply here, I am going to write like my name. name dot constant of Satya. Now within this name we don't have any Satya name. Right click, run as Java application. False we are going to get. Okay. Now SYSO name dot simply here ends with. Okay. But suppose ends with I. Is it true or false?
True.
Again, ends with method also return type is a boolean. Right click, run as Java application, will get the true. For suppose simply here, I am going to write like ends with yes, I am going to write.
False.
Right click, run as. Now, name that like equals method, you know that equal ignore case. Okay, observe carefully here. Now, cap Gemini. Both values are same or not? Name and yeah, both values are same, but case is not same. Okay. Now right click, it will ignore the case, but values are same. True we are going to get. But suppose simply here in the name and I'm going to write like here I'm going to write. Observe carefully here. What the difference? Now name dot equals of name. Observe carefully. Both values are same, but the case is capital case and lower case. Now in this case, 24th line, right click, run as Java application, false we are going to get. Case is insensitive. In this method, what I am saying, ignore the case. Okay. Now you can ignore the case, but values are same or not, you can check. Okay, that is the point simply. SYSO name dot index. Okay. Index of 0. 0 is the index number. What is the character? Okay. Now, for suppose index of simply here C. But suppose index of character C, what is the location? 0 only, right? 0 index number, character at 8th index number, character it will print. Right now I am giving the character, it will print the index number. Okay, right click, run as 0. Or suppose simply here SYSO name dot index of simply here I am going to print. Basically here 8th index value what we are going to get output I we are going to get. But if I print 8 also I also I need to get 8 also, right? Okay, right click, run as Java. No here. Oh sorry.
Yeah, there are two eyes are there, no?
Two yeah, two eyes.
First one is
Yeah, good. Yeah, correct answer. Now, first I occurrence is good. But I want the last I only. Okay. Again, if I wrote like index of I, the same output we are going to get. A control copy, control Y. Again, I'm going to write I. If I execute that, same output we are going to get. But my answer, I want 8 only. In the sense, we have one more method. Last index of we have. Okay. Now, index of method is looking for first occurrence. Last index of method is looking for last occurrence. Right click, run as Java application. Now, send the 8. Okay. Now, SYSO name dot. Okay. Name dot last index of length. You know that matches that string. It's a different. It's a regular expression. Now replace. Okay. Now within the name, what is the value here? Basically, Cap Gemini here we have. Okay, I want to replace with India. Okay. Now old value, the replace value, it will print that. Right click, run as Java application. Now say we got India. Okay. Now SYSO name dot name is within the name. What is the which case it is? Lower case. I want to convert it to uppercase. Now to uppercase we have. Okay, I want to convert within the name. What is the value? Lowercase only we have. I want to convert to uppercase. Right click, run as Java application. Now see, I convert. Now in the name one, what we have? Uppercase. But I want to convert to lowercase. SYSO name dot to lowercase. Right click, run as Java application lowercase converter. For suppose simply here SYSO name dot for suppose simply first I want to print the length.
So it will take name or name one.
Where?
If you want to change the case of the capitals to lower.
Okay, name of two uppercase.
Okay.
Okay, name one. Okay, name one dot two.
Name.
Okay, now we'll get that. In that case, simply it will print the both output same. Already lowercase, again it's printing lowercase only. Uh, Sure. Okay. Now first I want to print the length of the name. Name is equal to dot length. Okay. In this case, I given some spaces. Okay. Right. It is also counting. Now what is the length? 14 simply here. Now sometimes by mistakenly, okay, whenever we are entering username, we are giving some space and again we are entering some username. The space also consider username. But username is only Satya, but you enter space again Satya you enter. It is an invalid username, right? In that case, whenever you enter like that, I need to be trim. Trim in the sense like it will remove that white spaces before the name. Okay. Now SYSO name dot trim. After trimming, what is the length? SYSO again name dot length. Right click, run as Java application. Sorry, I did a mistake here. This value we need to store somewhere. After trimming, now string like trim value. Trim value. We need to print trim value only. Control copy. Now control V.
Okay.
Are you clear? Name dot length. After trimming this value, I'm going to store in the in this variable. I want to print this value variable length. Right click and as Java application. Now set 14, 9. We have the same length again. Means what? It will remove that empty white spaces. Okay, that is a. These are the important methods that we have in the string. Okay. Now next we have like a string buffer and a string builder. Okay, up to this are you clear? String. Okay. Now next string buffer and string builder here we have. Okay. What is the mean by string buffer and the string builder? Now these two also both are classes. Okay, string buffer and string builder both are classes. Now here I am going to select one more class for the string buffer and anything you can go with that. String buffer or string builder, both are same. Okay, if both are same, what is the difference between them? But suppose simply here string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. I'm going to write like a Capgemini. Okay. Now, if I print SB, what is the output? Capgemini. Right click run as Java application. We are going to get like a Capgemini. Now I want to concatenate it. Okay. Now simply SB dot. Here we have like the same method, but name is a different. Functionality is the same internally. It is adding concatenation only, but the method name is same. Append method here we have. Okay, append of India. Okay, now what is the output? Now Capgemini India or India Capgemini or only Capgemini or only India?
These are also immutable.
I don't know.
Immutable, sir. Reference had there.
Now here right click run as Java application. Means what? The string buffer, string builder are mutable classes. Okay. Now that is the point. Okay, that's why I want to guess. Okay. Now these both are mutable simply here. Now for suppose simply here. Again one more point I'm going to cover. Oh, sorry. SB1. Okay, both values are same, right? Now SY4 SB double equals to double equals to SB1. Now SY4 SB dot equals of SB1. Now can you guess that output? True TF or FT or FF or FT? Hmm. This is like both are true or false. This one is true or false.
It's also 50, sir.
Either true or false. Simply here. TF, TT, FF, FT or both are same way, right? Both ones. Then if it's a double equal operator, if you understood like that older image, then we can display like this.
First one, double equals to is false, sir.
Hmm.
Equals to equals to image.
Hmm. True. Okay. He said like that. The first one is a false. The second one is a true.
True, sir.
Okay. Now, observe double equal in the sense like the references are referring different location. Whenever the new keyword in the sense different location is going to be executed. That's why simply it's a false. The equals method is always checking that both values are same or not. It will checking. That's why both values are same. We are getting true. Right click. Run as without
First one false, second one true.
both are false. Okay, why in the sense? Okay, observe carefully here. Okay, now in the string class, it is a string class, right? Only string and string class. It is a string buffer. Okay, string buffer. In the string buffer also we have equals method. In the string class also equals method. Simply now here. In the string also we have equals method. Okay. In the string buffer and the string builder also both are having equals method. Okay. Now in the string class equals method is checking both values are same or not. Okay. Values are same or not. Okay. But this string buffer and string builder will check references are same or not. Okay. Same as like double equal operator. Okay. If you observe that CMD now Java P Java data lang data string class. Sorry. Java P Java data lang data string class. Is not recognized in internal. Okay, I changed it like some versions. That's why I think. One minute. Okay. Now again open CMD. Now Java hyphen version. Earlier we have 17, that's why we're not getting. Now we are going to get Java P Java data lang data string. Now here, these are all our string methods. Okay, in the string methods also, in the string class also we have equals method. Now somewhere here, did you observe this equals method coming from object class? Okay. Now the string buffer, string builder are taking the this equals method object class, but the string class equals method is overridden. Okay, what's the name override in the sense? It changed the original value. Okay. Now basically the equals method coming from object class only. Okay, object class equals method will not check the values both are same. It will check only references same or not. Okay, but string class is overrated. They change the logic. Okay, don't check references, only check the values. Okay, that's why in the string class we are going to get the true. Okay, in the string buffer we are going to get the false. Okay, that is only the main difference. Simply here we have. Okay, here also we have like little bit method. Simply here we have the same as like string methods only. Okay, now simply here based on this string concept only we are going to get different examples. Okay, I want to reverse the string. Okay, I want to combine the string. For suppose if you want to reverse the string, how we can reverse? For suppose simply here string name is equal to I given like subject. Okay, I want to reverse it. If I want to reverse it, simply here A Y H T A S. Okay, how I can return it? Simply here. Now we can convert to this to character, this string to character. We need to convert. Again, we need to iterate to reverse order. Okay, observe. I will show you that some examples. Now see. Now what we have string string is equals here. Write a Java program to find the reverse of the string. Okay, string is equal to Soma Satyaprakash we have. Okay, it will store the reverse of the given. Okay, for suppose value is reversed, I want to store it somewhere. Okay, where in the sense like in the reverse string. I created one variable string reverse order string. I will store it here. Now here I want to iterate it from the last index onwards. Okay, simply here for loop I am using. Now for of int I is equal to string dot length minus one. Okay, string is equal to what? This length. Why I am using minus one? The index number. Okay, now next condition, right? I should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, 0 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. Now decrement order reverse order కదా, decrement 8 7 6 5 4 to reverse order simply here. Now reverse order plus a string dot character at I value. Okay, I in the sense like simply here the last value simply we are going to get. Length minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8. Okay, 9 minus 2, 7. Like that simply here. The original value, the reverse order value. Okay, see here. Now, right click, run as Java application. Now, see here. Original value, Satyaprakash, Soma Satyaprakash. Now, the reverse value will be like this. Okay, we'll share these examples also. Now, again, simply I want to count within the given string how many vowels, how many consonants. Simply. What are the vowels? Simply A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Consonant simply remaining simply here. Okay, now. Okay, now for the vowels count, initially I declared 0. For the consonants counts initially 0. Okay. Hmm. అది స్ట్రింగ్ బఫర్ లో మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది ఆ మెథడ్ అనేది. వి హ్యావ్ ద మెథడ్ బట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఆ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయరు. ఎందుకంటే లాజిక్ రాయమంటారు. స్ట్రింగ్ క్లాస్ లో దేర్ ఇస్ నో రివర్స్ మెథడ్, బట్ ఇన్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ బఫర్ అండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ బిల్డర్ వి హ్యావ్ రివర్స్ మెథడ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. But in the interview room, they will focus on only the string value, reverse it without using any predefined method. Okay. Predefined method unte method okati vaste ayipodhi. It's a simple. But without the method, how you are going to convert it? That's the point. Now, string str is equal to this is the string value. In this string value, how many vowels and how many consonants we have? Okay. Now, observe carefully here. String str dot to lowercase. I want to convert all the lower cases simply here. If any lower case, if any upper case is there, I want to convert lower case. Now then, int I is equal to 0, I less than string dot length I plus plus. Okay. Now a e I o u only 5 conditions, right? Without right length 24 like 21 conditions. 5 condition is best. Now, if in the str in the given string is a character at okay index number in the sense like 0 or 1 or anything, is a is matching or e is matching, o is matching, u is matching, simply it is a vowel. Okay, if the given condition is true, it is a vowel, or otherwise remaining are consonants. Now see, we'll check that how many consonants and how many vowels. Sure, vowels is a 10, consonants are 7. We'll check it out. Now I is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The 10 vowels, right? Okay. Now in this case, I want to count how many characters simply here we have. Okay, directly length concept we can use. See here. Or otherwise simply here. I want incrementing here. Okay, length is the direct way, easiest way. Now simply here string is equal to the best of the both worlds. Int count is equal to 0. Now for in this case, count each character except a space. I want to remove the space. Okay, now here string dot character at I not equal to space. I want to increment it. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 is not counting. Now again 4 is a big. 4, 5, 6, 7. Again space is not counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is not counting. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We'll see that. 9. Okay, without space. Okay. But suppose if I use length simply directly with space also is going to be considered. Okay. Now, duplicate value simply here. Now, how you can trim? Trim is going to be before the word, after the word only we can trim it. In between we cannot do that. Simply we can remove that spaces. Okay, that's the thing. Now, write a Java program to find duplicate characters in a string. Okay, in given name, how many duplicate characters we have? For suppose simply A is a duplicate character we have. Okay, S is duplicate character. T is we have. Again, like Y is we have. Okay, we have only Y. There is a duplicate character. Only one. But what I said, what I wrote here, write a Java program, find the duplicate characters in a string. Okay. Now see. String 1 is equal to this name I given. First, I want to convert it to characters. Okay. Directly string values we cannot mention like how many duplicate characters. This string value is a word. Such is a word. But if you want to calculate like duplicate characters, first we need to convert a string to array. Okay. The given string I converted to char array is a method is converting arrays. Okay, each and every character. Okay. Now char string array is going to be stored. Okay, now simply here count each character present in the string. Simply here. Now string dot length count to 1. Okay, how many characters we have? It's counting. After the counting, simply here by using this for loop, this condition. Okay, if both are matching. Okay, string of I index and string of j index both are matching. Okay, if both are not equal, simply it's space. If both are matching, double equals count to plus plus. Okay. Now string j is equal to 0 to avoid that unwanted like 0 simply here. Or otherwise simply print it. Right click, run as Java application. Now see here. The duplicate character in a given string SATHRKE. Okay, Y is not a duplicate character. That's why you're not going to get. Okay. And now earlier we reversed word entire word. In this within the word character we changed that. Okay, అర్థమైందా word లో characters reverse చేశాను. But I want like a reverse the word. For example, 3 words we have, 3 words I want to reverse. Okay, now here I created like one method public static string reverse string. I took like one string as input. If it is empty, return S, the same. Now return reverse string S dot substring of 1 and again caret method. See all the methods already we have seen. Okay, based on our requirement, we can choose which method is useful for us. Okay, now right click, run as Java application. I am going to enter a string. Now welcome to Java world. Okay, now enter. See here, the every word is reversed. Okay, every word is reversed. Now this kind of questions only they are going to focus in the interview. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that is the point simply. The reverse method undi. That one is easy, right? How we